In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow and laggy File Explorer in Windows 11. First, right-click the taskbar and click Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, you'll see the list of running processes. Find Windows Explorer in that list, right-click it, and then click Restart. The taskbar may briefly disappear and then come back. That's normal, and it means the File Explorer process has been refreshed. Next, open File Explorer. In the top toolbar, click the three-dot menu, then click Options. This opens the Folder Options window. Stay in the General tab, and at the top, find the drop-down labeled Open File Explorer 2. Click that drop-down and choose This PC. This changes the default starting location, so File Explorer does not load the home page every time, which includes recent files, frequent folders, and cloud content. Now move down to the Privacy section in the same window. At the bottom, click the Clear button next to Clear File Explorer History. Then click OK to save the change and close the window. This removes cached recent items and frequent folders that can slow down File Explorer when it starts. After that, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type Regedit slowly and clearly, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Then press Enter. If you see a prompt asking for permission, click Yes. Registry Editor will open. Now navigate to the shell path. You can pause here and copy the pinned comment if needed while opening the correct location. Once you're there, right-click an empty space on the right side, choose New, and then click String Value. When the new value appears, type the name FolderType. That's FolderType. Then press Enter. Next, double-click FolderType. In the Value Data field, type NotSpecified. Enter it as NotSpecified. Then click OK. This tells Windows to stop scanning folder contents to guess the folder type, which is one of the main reasons File Explorer becomes slow, especially with large folders. Close Registry Editor. Then right-click the taskbar again, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and click Restart. File Explorer should now open much faster, and folder navigation should feel more immediate. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The green loading bar should no longer appear when opening folders, because these changes work together to reduce startup load, clear cached history, and disable folder type discovery, which is the biggest source of lag.